Urban Automotive is all about seeing potential where others see perfection. And today, we're at Maat Automotive with a brand new urban Audi RS-Q8. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video of GP Products, the performance company. And by now you probably already know that Urban Automotive creates some incredible kits for your Land Rover Defender, your Range Rover and your Range Rover Sport. But did you know they also make some incredible kits to transform your Audi RS model? Well, keep watching. If by now you still don't really know what Urban Automotive is all about, well, let me tell you. Back in 2013, Urban Automotive was founded under the mantra of transforming luxury cars with bespoke design. In Milton Keynes, they started out transforming the classic Defender, and the kit that really launched them as a brand was the Range Rover Sport SVR. Now fast forward to today, they cover an entire range of brands. As already mentioned, the Audi RS-Q8, Audi RS3, Audi RS6, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Lamborghini Urus, Range Rover Sport, Defender, G63. Do we need to continue? They cover it all. Now their success is also due to the fact that their key components are still made in-house, and they go to hours and hours of development and hours of test fitting to make sure that the panel gaps are up to their standards and the mechanical integrity is kept in place. Now with the previous Audi RS-Q8 model being a massive success for Urban, we've been dying to see the new kit, and it's finally here. Oh, this thing is f***ing sick. This car is brand new. This is just off the trailer. We have, let me check, 41 kilometers on the counter. Even the seals are still on the door. So the new owner of this car, he will take delivery of it in a couple of days so he can unwrap his presents. All right, so we have the brand new Audi RS-Q8 2025 model. That means also a brand new Urban kit. Now at the front we have an entirely new front splitter, and with the previous model there were some complaints that when you drive 300 plus that your front lip might go missing. So they added an extra air duct here, so air can pass through. So 300 plus, 400 plus, doesn't matter, it can cope with it. And in the middle we also see the new Urban tablet logo. I think it looks sick. It matches with the angles of the car. And if you look at the front you can also see that there is something new, but you can't immediately pinpoint what it is. This is the new eyebrow kit from Urban, which makes the car look even more aggressive, which makes this line even sharper. Because with the new Audi RS-Q8 from factory, I think it's less aggressive than the previous model, but with this, the looks are properly back. Also a new thing are the bonnet vents. At first I was a bit hesitant, but looking at these in real life, it looks sick. It's so cool, it breaks the line in the bonnet. I think it's a perfect match. And I say that a lot, perfect match, but it is a perfect match. Now from factory, this car has been equipped with the carbon package, and this is one of the first Urban kits. So this kit still has the Urban weave, which is like a bit diagonal. But if you order an Urban kit right now, a new one, you will have this exact same weave as the Audi carbon fiber. So I think it's a no-brainer, just do it. Now on the side we have newly developed side skirts. As on the previous model, 3-piece side skirts that open up together with the door, so you get the comfortability, you don't need to be afraid to damage it. But if you look here, this goes up, the front splitter, goes down again. At the back here, it pops back up again. And then to blend it all in at the back, it goes down again. And for the very first time on the Audi RS-Q8, we have a diffuser, which makes the car look so much lower and again, matches with the carbon fiber, with the Audi carbon fiber. And talking about carbon fiber, we have an Akrapovic exhaust with the carbon tips, and you will hear it in a second, but as I already said, this car is brand spanking new, so I can't really push it, but trust me, it sounds incredible. And to finish it all off, we have 2 rear spoilers. Why go for one if you can have 2? Some people might think it's a bit extra to have 2, but look at this car. We have the spoiler here, we have the spoiler here. It looks sick, you can't deny that. It's a beautiful car. Let's go for a drive, experience this thing, and hear the Akrapovic exhaust. Now we all know the iconic RS models, such as the Audi RS3 and the Audi RS6. But with the Audi Q8 being their flagship model, it was only right that they created an Audi RS-Q8 back in 2019. And they hit the ground running with that one. Also for Urban, this was a massive success and a massive head turner. So when Audi earlier this year came out with the facelift model in 2025, Urban Automotive went straight to the drawing board and created the brand new Urban Audi RSQ8. But not only Urban went straight to the drawing board, Akrapovic did the same thing. Right, you find me in the RSQ8 and it's always an incredible feeling touching an Alcantara steering wheel because you immediately know what's going on. This means business. Now this car from factory has incredible performance already. We have 631 horsepower and 850 Newton meters in a family SUV. These stats were not so long ago incredible for cars like a Ferrari Enzo, and now we have them in family SUVs, which is crazy. Now with the Urban Kit, the presence of this car is unmatched. It's a big car, but with the Urban aerodynamic parts added onto it, it's a showstopper. It's definitely a head-turner. But these days, unfortunately, there's a sad story going on in the car industry. The V8s are being silenced and their voices have been taken away. Then there's Akrapovic. And Akrapovic is all about giving the V8 its voice back and giving it a stage. Because Akrapovic is all about performance, style, and matching that with the best materials in the game. This car has an Evolution line made out of titanium, which also brings some power gains. We have 8 horsepower more and around 11 to 15 Newton meters, which is always welcome in a car like this. And the numbers don't stop there. This system is also 15 kg lighter. And if you think, oh, 15 kg, what's 15 kg? Go to a gym, pick up a 15 kg dumbbell, and yeah, let me know afterwards what it's like. It's enough. Now the Akrapovic exhaust system, the sound is insane. Obviously we have a majestic V8 in the front, and with the Akrapovic exhaust the potential gets unlocked. So in the higher revs we have like a racing inspired high frequency exhaust note, and in the lower rev ranges we have the iconic Akrapovic rumble. And that's exactly what Akrapovic is looking for. If your Audi RSQ8 doesn't look like this or sound like this, well, contact us, get the Urban Kit, get the Akrapovic exhaust, and thank me later. Now, if you like these videos, click subscribe, press the like button, and I will see you next time.